Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This vlog is about what lurks in your power panel. The continuation of troubleshooting the burned wires. Now we go walking the dock. Got a couple things we need to do. Drop off some nice things at the truck. Got CDs to play on the way home. And then we go visit, see who else is at the marina this weekend. It's usually pretty quiet. Flashlight, old style, bulb burnt out. Okay. Hey, come here. Hi. Yes, you're live and in person. Here we are in headquarters. There's Steve, Fred, and Gail.
Gail, how you doing? Hey, Gail. Can I give you a treat? Can I give you a treat?
Yeah. We have a short lesson. This is a real short lesson. One of the issues that we have is that you bundle these wires, individual wires like this. It looks pretty, it's nice, keeps things out of the way. There is a problem with it. The problem is that some of these are 30 amp, 15, 20, 30s. There's a lot of amps running through this. So if it's all combined at one time, it can cause a problem. Right now, I'm not ready to replace these wires. I've got to get in here to get to it. So the first thing I have to do is break this bundle apart and then come up, this separation is fine until we get down here, and then all of a sudden we start building up and we can have heat. So I'm just going to break these, get them out of the way, then I can get to when I'm doing that, I'm careful to get in between there so I'm not slicing anybody. And I've already run a sniffer to make sure I know what's going on. Oh boy. What is this? Oh, my. Okay. So what somebody did, for some reason, this is duplex. See, there's a white conductor and a black, a triplex. There's a ground, a hot, and a center. So, oh my goodness. I don't know why they did this. Maybe to give padding, maybe to give us an idea of what they used. This is marine grade, of course. It's 105C dry, 75 wet. This is a 14 gauge. Why is it like this? I'm going to have to research. There's another one there. Somebody's free and easy. Who is that? Oh my God. So that's a tape job. I'm betting that was tied into that. Oh man. Welcome to boat ownership when you are not the first owner. Nobody tracked this, whatever it is. But I'm going to guess that's what that is something, you know, here you can see a pair coming into one. And that doesn't include these. So since I don't see this, I'll have to track this down and see where it goes. It might be hot. Oh, there we go. All the gear falls to the ground, or the sole. Okay, so, you know, touch things and you never know what you're going to find. Continuing on, at least I know where these are. This and this are the mystery. Any more mysteries hidden in the bundle? Golly. Yeah, see, there's another one done that way. And then down underneath you can see that connector look kind of grody. Same with that one. I'll have to check those out later. Much of that will involve turning power off to the boat. I don't want anything hot, and I'll disconnect the batteries so I don't fry myself on that stuff. That's the DC. And I don't like getting tickled. You know, there's 110 on top of all that stuff, and 110 there and across there. So I don't like, you know, it's, you know, it doesn't tickle, it vibrates. So let's just say that's going to be it for the day while I dig around and get the voltmeter out and find out where this stuff goes. That's it, folks. I think I'll go home and have a beer. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and then subscribe. Thank you.